Good morning, students. Today our topic is power of electromagnetic wave and its polarization for an oscillating dipole. टाइम एवरेज ऑफ पॉइंटिंग वेक्टर इज गिवन बाय टाइम एवरेज यदि हम पॉइंटिंग वेक्टर का निकालें तो कितना आएगा. दिस विल बी इक्वल टू हाफ रियल पार्ट ऑफ ई क्रॉस एच एंड दिस विल बी इक्वल टू सी पी नॉट स्क्वायर के पावर 4 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा ई एन कैप डिवाइडेड बाई 32 पाई स्क्वायर एप्सिलॉन नॉट आर स्क्वायर एंड टोटल रेडिएशन पावर W इज इक्वल्स टू डी ई बाई डी टी. ये आएगी W इज इक्वल्स टू इंटीग्रल फ्रॉम 0 टू पाई इंटीग्रल फ्रॉम 0 टू पाई सी पी नॉट स्क्वायर के पावर 4 डिवाइडेड बाई 32 पाई स्क्वायर एप्सिलॉन नॉट साइन स्क्वायर थीटा डिवाइडेड बाई आर स्क्वायर साइन थीटा डी फाई. आर स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो वी गेट सी पी नॉट स्क्वायर के पावर 4 डिवाइडेड बाई 32 पाई स्क्वायर एप्सिलॉन नॉट इंटू 2 पाई इंटू 4 पाई 2 पाई इंटू 4/3. W is equals to CP naught square के power 4 divided by 32 pi square epsilon naught into 2 pi into 4/3 and if we solve it then we get CP naught square divided by 12 epsilon naught pi into 2 pi by lambda whole power 4. Radiated energy is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude of the electric dipole moment एंड इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू दी फोर्थ पावर ऑफ दी वेवलेंथ. ये क्लियर है इसमें फॉर्मूला में दैट जो रेडिएटेड एनर्जी है वो क्या है, डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है किसके, स्क्वायर ऑफ दी एम्पलीट्यूड ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट, और इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है किसके, फोर्थ पावर ऑफ दी वेवलेंथ. इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू दी फोर्थ पावर ऑफ वेवलेंथ. For atomic dipole radiation dE by dt is approximately equal to 10 to the power minus 74 into omega power 4 watt. यदि हम ओमेगा को कितना लें, 10 to the power 14 hertz, then we get dE by dt is equals to 10 to the power minus 18 watt. Now next is radiation resistance. We know that when current I is equals to I naught e power minus iota omega t is flowing through a circuit in which resistance R is connected, then average rate of energy dissipation is given by, जब ये करंट I is equals to I naught e power minus iota omega t फ्लोइंग हो रही है किसी सर्किट में, तो और उसमें रेजिस्टेंस R भी कनेक्ट है, तो एवरेज रेट ऑफ एनर्जी डिसिपेशन क्या होगी, दिस विल बी इक्वल टू हाफ I नॉट स्क्वायर R, और इसको सी पी नॉट स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई 12 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट 2 पाई बाई लेमडा होल पावर 4, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं दिस विल बी इक्वल टू पी नॉट स्क्वायर ओमेगा पावर 4 डिवाइडेड बाई 12 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट सी क्यूब, एंड दिस इक्वेशन कैन बी रिटन एज आई नॉट स्क्वायर एल स्क्वायर ओमेगा स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई 12 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट सी क्यूब. If we arrange this equation then we get this will be equal to I naught square L square divided by 12 pi epsilon naught into 4 pi square divided by lambda square into c square by c cube, and this can be written as this will be equal to half into 2 pi by 3 under root mu naught divided by epsilon naught L divided by lambda whole square I naught square. And if we compare equation first and second, then we get that R is equals to 2 pi by 3 under root mu naught divided by epsilon naught L divided by lambda whole square. This is the radiation resistance. RR is equals to 2 pi by 3 into under root mu naught divided by epsilon naught into L divided by lambda whole square, and this will be equal to 789 into L divided by lambda whole square ohm, and this is valid only for L is less than lambda. Intensity of radiation from oscillating electric dipole. Intensity जो है रेडिएशन की जो ऑसिलेटिंग इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल से इमर्ज हो रही हैं intensity of radiation from oscillating electric dipole is given by I theta is equals to P naught square W power 4 divided by 32 pi square C cube epsilon naught R square into sin square theta. और इस फॉर्मूले से क्लियर है, इट इज़ क्लियर फ्रॉम द अबव इक्वेशन दैट I theta is inversely proportional to the square of the R. It is clear from the above equation that I theta is inversely proportional to the square of the R. Second, I theta is directly proportional to the square of the sin theta. I theta is directly proportional to the square of the sin theta. Now next topic is Lennard-Wiechert potential. In this figure, path of an electron is represented by radial vector RE t days. The position vector of electron is RE t days, and R is position vector of the point P. We can represent the retarded potential for an electron in the form of delta function. Phi RT is equals to E upon 4 pi epsilon naught into integral from minus infinity to positive infinity delta t days minus t minus modulus of R minus RE t days divided by C into dt days divided by modulus of R minus RE t days. This is equation first. Integral from minus infinity to positive infinity fx delta x minus x days dx, this will be equal to fx days. ये इसकी वैल्यू है, ये fx days के इक्वल आएगा. Now let t double days is equals to t days minus t plus modulus of r minus re t days divided by c. Now dt double days is equals to dt days minus dt plus 1 by c d by dt days modulus of r minus re t days into dt days. dt is equal to 0. On putting dt is equal to 0, we get dt double days is equals to dt days plus 1 by c d by dt days modulus of r minus re t days into dt days. Now let us consider that coordinate of P are x1, x2, x3 and of electron are xe1 t days, xe2 t days, xe3 t days. So the value of modulus of r minus re t days is equals to under root summation from I xi minus xei t days whole square, and this can be written as 1 by c d by dt modulus of r minus re t days is equals to 1 by c summation del by del x ei modulus of r minus re t days into dx ei divided by dt days. Now we can write 1 by c d by dt days modulus of r minus re t days is equals to 1 by c del re modulus of r minus re t days into dre by dt days, and grade re modulus of r minus re t days, this will be equal to minus r minus re t d days divided by modulus of r minus re t days grade re modulus of r minus re t days is equals to minus r minus re t days divided by modulus of r minus re t days. This will be equal to minus r divided by modulus of r, and here we can write r, capital R is equals to r minus re t days. Now dre by dt days is equals to u, velocity of the electron. Then we can replace it in the above equation. Then we get 1 by c d by dt days modulus of r minus ret days is equals to 1 by c minus r by modulus of r into u. 1 by c d by dt days modulus of r minus ret days is equals to 1 by c into minus r divided by modulus of r into u, and we can write it as minus beta dot r divided by modulus of r, and here beta is u by c. u by c की जगह हमने बीटा रख दिया, तो dt डबल डेस इज इक्वल्स टू dt डेस प्लस minus beta dot r divided by modulus of r into dt days, and if we find the dt days, then we get dt days is equals to modulus of r divided by modulus of r minus beta dot r into dt double days. Now if we put dt days in the equation first, then we get phi rt is equals to e upon 4 pi epsilon naught integral from minus infinity to positive infinity delta t double days divided by modulus of r into modulus of r divided by modulus of r minus beta dot r into dt double days, and finally we get phi rt is equals to e upon 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 upon modulus of r minus beta dot r at t double days is equal to 0. At t double days is equal to 0, so t days will be equal to t minus r divided by c. So we get phi rt is equals to e upon 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 upon r minus beta dot r, and here at t days is equal to t minus r t days divided by c. Phi rt is equals to e upon 4 by epsilon naught into 1 by r minus beta dot r at t days is equals to t minus r divided by c. Similarly, we can write the vector potential art is equals to mu naught e divided by 4 pi u divided by r minus beta dot r at t is equals to t minus r divided by c. And these potentials given by equations 3 and 4 are known as Lenard-Wiechert potentials. The equations represent the equations 3 and 4 representing Lenard-Wiechert potentials, and the potentials given by equation 3 and 4 are known as Lenard-Wiechert potentials.